Welcome to an in-depth walkthrough of conversion in Python tailored specifically for those beginning their IT career journey. Python, as a dynamic language, offers an easy approach to conversion between data types. This makes handling numbers and text super intuitive. But before diving in, remember, it's vital to grasp the foundations of Python data types. Firstly, in Python, everything is an object, including common data types like integers, floats, and strings, which can be quite handy. Now, converting one type into another in Python is straightforward, whether you are dealing with arithmetic or just trying to output dynamic content. Consider this situation. You have a string of text like 25 and a need to use it in a calculation. Python's flexibility comes into play here. Simply casting the text string to an integer enables mathematical operations. Now, imagine we are dealing with temperatures, measured in Fahrenheit, and our user wants a Celsius conversion. We need to convert our Fahrenheit input to a float to deal with temperatures in the decimal range, not just whole numbers. Python Fahrenheit is equal to input Celsius is equal to 32*59 print. Now, let's talk about int and float conversion. Often, we receive numeric inputs as strings and need to work with them as numbers. It's quite simple. Using int, you can convert strings to integers. Just try to keep in mind, though, that Python doesn't require parentheses for the function call, but it's still a good habit. Python age_as_str is equal to input age_as_int is equal to int. Print conversion is not just for user inputs, of course. We also encounter situations when we need numerical results in text form for displaying purposes. That's where string formatting is super powerful, and it's a great way to convert back from a number to a string, formatted just the way we want it to look. Python user_score is equal to 87 number, an integer representing the score. Formatted _score is equal to your score. Format print. What about error handling? Well, things can go awry, so we should handle errors like value error when we attempt to cast an invalid input into a numeral data type. Let's do this with proper error catching. Python try user_age_str is equal to input age is equal to int. Print except value error. Print. Furthermore, while we are on data types, let's quickly touch on complex numbers. In Python, just the term complex will get you started on conversions involving reals and imaginary parts. Python z is equal to 3 plus 4j. Print. Now, how about Python's role in web scraping? It's no secret that Python is a leader in web scraping tasks. It has a rich set of libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrapy to convert HTML content to Python data structures efficiently. Python from BS4 import Beautiful Soup import requests URL is equal to https://www.example.com response is equal to requests.get soup is equal to Beautiful Soup headers is equal to soup.find_ all for header in headers. Print. Lastly, the Python script we write today can help with data migration tasks. Converting CSV data to JSON or exporting to a SQL database is common and something you'll become adept at handling swiftly. Python import CSV import JSON user_list is equal to with open as CSV file, CSV_reader is equal to CSV.dictReader for row in CSV_reader. User_list.append JSON_users is equal to JSON.dumps. Print. Converting data between formats in Python is a skill in constant use, from simple cases involving user inputs to the more complex web scraping and data processing needs. Python's casts help manage the transformation smoothly, and I trust you are not just understanding but mastering these conversions by now. As you grow comfortable in Python and these types of conversions, they'll become second nature. Now, before I wrap up, here's a thought exercise. Try converting today's weather text data into a Python dictionary structure and then into just as a personal project. It's a small exercise to consolidate what we've talked about today. For more insightful tech talks, stay tuned and consider checking out neeraj.qzz.io. Subscribe to TechLab and keep the conversational tone alive throughout your coding adventures.